I don't think that pull requests are the right thing anymore. And so let me qualify that. Obviously, we need a place where we can collaborate on code, we can share branches, we can do automated checks, review the code, comment on the code, pull down the code, test the code, check for mergeability, things like that. I think that is sort of the right workflow. I think the workflow is correct that it needs to center around Git and merging. Maybe there's some optimizations with merge queues and things like that. I saw this interesting tweet the other day, and I realized that you don't need pull requests on GitHub, right? Obviously, this is easier said than done, right? But I think the concept is interesting, and it points to a sort of pain that at least I've been feeling a lot, is that I don't know if you've seen the meat procs thing hanging around, but basically the idea is that we are becoming meat proxies of, you have a feed of automated updates here. So someone is pushing a branch, there's a bot commenting on it, there are CI checks that are happening, and basically our job has become to pull down this code, to test it, to have our agent implement the changes, to have our agents review it, to post those comments back to the feed. And what makes the pull request outdated now is that we become meat proxies for the pull request feed, because the automated checks are now almost outnumbering the non-automated human checks and feedback. It's really hard to automate the automated part of the loop in the pull request now, because you have things like CodeRabbit, Greptile, all of these code review comment bots commenting, mixing with human reviews. You have automated Git actions, you have branch sharing, things like that. There's just got to be a better way. And I don't know if it's something like the Linux kernel and how they do sort of email-based patches. I think that conceptually that's sort of the right way to go. I wonder if there's more of a feed that you could have your agents subscribe to and do some actions on, but it's like, because right now subscribing to, having your local agent subscribe to a pull request is not straightforward, right? Yes, you can add bots and you could add automated users and you can do webhooks and things like that, but that takes a lot of infrastructure, and it's not really solving the meat proxy problem. It's not helping us do our jobs better or faster. Realistically, I just want something that watches the PR, pulls down the changes, reviews it, maybe incorporates the changes to reduce the sort of first pass work that I have to do, right? And then potentially as agents get bigger and as changes get smaller and as pull request velocity increases, more and more of that can be automated, and maybe some of it can even move to the cloud. I think right now you just need that interactivity. You need that local context. You need your local agents to be working on it for the most part. I don't know. What do you guys think?